This video is the start of a series for mastering the Latin declensions. As you can see from this opening paragraph, we're going to be listening to a story that will help us learn all the cases for each declension through comprehensible input. Instead of memorizing long charts and rules before you are ready, you will learn by reading simple, meaningful Latin again and again. Each video will focus on a small set of forms from one declension, so that you see the same patterns many times in slightly different contexts. As you read, your mind will begin to recognize these patterns automatically. The goal is simple: to help you develop a real feel for Latin, so that endings, forms, and structures are not just things you memorized, but things you recognize and understand automatically. We'll start with the third declension. Canis et Flumen. Marcus est homo. Canis cum homine habitat. Nomen hominis est Marcus. Marcus amat canem. Canis amat Marcum. Amor Marci et canis est grandis. Marcus canem vocat. Veni, canis. Vox Marci fortis est. Canis audit vocem Marci. Ad vocem hominis canis currit. Canis ad Marcum celeriter currit. Aer tepens est. Sol lucet. Lux solis super arbores lucet. Marcus cum cane ambulat. Marcus et canis per silvam eunt. In silva est Flumen. Flumen inter arbores fluit. Et una arbor in flumine est. Aqua fluminis circum arborem fluit. Flumen est frigens. Aqua fluminis frigens est. Flumen celeriter fluit. Marcus cum cane flumen intrat. O, dicit Marcus, aqua fluminis valde frigens est. Canis in flumine natat. Super flumen volat avis. Marcus videt avem. Canis ex aqua exit. Marcus et canis ad ripam fluminis sedent. Postea Marcus et canis abeunt. Now that you've read the story, see if you can answer the following questions. Don't worry if you don't answer every question correctly. Use your mistakes to identify which cases need more attention as you continue reading and practicing. Incorrect answers aren't failures. They're opportunities to strengthen your understanding and improve what you know. First, let's notice some patterns. Fill in the genitive form for each noun. Do you see the pattern? The is ending of the genitive form is the defining marker of the third declension. Every third declension noun ends in is in the genitive form. Fill in the ablative form for each noun. This case is the same across almost all third declension nouns. All third declension nouns end in is in the genitive form, and most end in e in the ablative form.